Coming up in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Negroni with a very sexy Jaffa cake, if you love your Jaffa cakes, with a Jaffa Cake twist. Stay tuned. Hey drinks fans, I am Steve the Barman and I'm hoping these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite drinks. Whether you're at home and looking after your parties or whether you're working in pubs and bars, I'm hoping these recipes are going to be for you. Right, this one, Jaffa Cake Gin. Let's have a little look at that. I've never tasted this. Big thank you to Master of Malt, UK online sort of wholesaler distributor, also owner of, or parent company is Atom, who kind of look after this. They've sent me this, so it's not kind of a paid promotion, but it's kind of, hey Steve, what do you think of this? Can we send you a bottle? So yeah, looking forward to cracking this open. I haven't actually tried it, so we're going to do that. Just while I'm doing this, just again, I did it in the last video, but I want to give them a big shout out again. 3 people who in particular that have bought me coffees, kept me in coffee over the last few weeks. I've got Nikki Bennington, I've got Sam Parsons, and Mark from Grimsby, as he put. Mark Thomas, thank you so much for buying me coffees over the last few weeks. Thank you, that's all I can say. It means the world, so thank you very much. Anyway, this little bad boy, let's have a little taste first. Let's go back. Oh, I haven't done a gin review on here for 18 months or so. Don't know, I've gone spiced rum enough. Right, here we go. Whoa, big orange notes on there. What's the actual gin taste like? Do we get chocolate? Yes, we flipping well do. Cool. Cool, that is lovely. Has got that juniper spice kick. Wow, the aftertaste on that is amazing. Oranges, fresh orange peel, cocoa powder and real life no falling Jaffa cakes. We're not saying this makes literally the best Negroni that mankind has ever seen, but well, okay, yes, we're saying exactly that. That is super tasty. I've made Negronis with Sipsmith's cacao or orange and cacao, and that's lovely. This, I would say, has got a little, I could drink that neat. Quite easily drink that neat. This has got a little bit more, definitely more chocolate notes coming through it, from maybe a little bit more sweetness. Oh, that is super, super tasty. Say, jump on Master of Malt. At the time we're shooting, they have got a whole Negroni offer as well. Let's crack on. Let's make this Negroni. Show you how to make the Negroni. It's so easy, so easy. That's so easy. I'm going to serve it up in rocks glass, but I'm actually going to make it all properly in a mixing glass. Okay. You could make it in there, not a problem, but I'm just going to stir it down. So easy. Now, the Negroni was invented, if I've got this right, early sort of 1900s. It stems from the original cocktail Americano, which is Campari and a Rosso Vermouth, lengthened out with soda water. Legend has it that a guy walked into the bar, said to the bartender, "Can you make this Americano stronger for me?" So the bartender simply swapped out the soda water for gin, and that became it. Now, this is so super easy. So I'm going to go 25, 25, 25. You could go 35, 35, 35. You could go 50, 50, 50. But anyway, it's just equal measures. So the first one is Jaffa Cake Gin. That is like properly tasty. The next ingredient you want is your Campari. Everyone knows what that is. Very bitter aperitif kind of drink, bright red in colour. Everyone, the first time they ever have that, everyone thinks it's a sort of really sweet drink, and it really isn't. So that's our second. And the third one, again, doesn't matter what brand. I've got some Lustau in over there as well, but I've just gone traditional. We're going Martini Rosso, again 25ml. Now, all we need to do now is just ice up our mixing glass and just stir this down. Now, I've been stirring that down for a couple of minutes. Oh, it's so good. Before I cracked the bottle, I was thinking I was going to add a couple of dashes of chocolate bitters to really bring that out. I tell you, you don't need to at all. That really has got the chocolate kick to it. So that's all nicely stirred down. We stir it down just to give it a little bit of dilution and just bring the flavours out. We just want some nice fresh ice in our glass now. And then I'm just going to simply single strain. As I say, you could make it in a glass if you really wanted to. It's no problem. And I'm just going to single strain that into there. Pop that to one side. Finish the rest of that off. I'm going to have so much fun with the rest of that bottle. And then just to garnish wise, fresh orange if you want. I've always got dehydrated. Kind of, it does save me money, I'll be honest. It means I can keep it for months and months and months. But I do actually like it because it really gives that power of flavour when you pop it in a drink and it sort of just goes in there for a few minutes. Anyway, there we have it. Nearly forgot, didn't I? I nearly forgot. Obviously, that is the garnish, isn't it? That's got to be the garnish. I'm not sure about the garnish, but it's got to be the chaser. Cheers. Jaffa Cake Negroni. How's about that? Oh, so damn tasty. Love that. Damn. Damn. It's, that just works so well. I've always tried to use orange gin in my Negronis. I really, really like it. And I have been using tank Florence and even, I think that does actually work better than Whitley Neal's in a Negroni. But this is a whole different level. That shows chocolate notes. Anyway, if you love this video, make sure you hit that like button. Give me a big old thumbs up. If you like what I'm doing, if you like me, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Ring the bell to get notified I set a new video live. And if you want to come become an STB legend, then check out my Patreon page. Links in the show notes. I've released 3 whole new membership tiers on there. Different benefits, upgraded cocktail books, and also sort of live streams. Become part of my gang anyway. Early days, but we'll see how that pans out. Cheers.